How to turn off active status on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off your active status on your Facebook app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Facebook app. Then once you're in your Facebook app, you have to tap on these three lines or your profile picture in the top right side here. Then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Then here in settings you have to tap on profile settings, and here in profile settings in privacy you will see active status. Tap on it and here you will see show when you're active, so you have to tap on here and turn this off. So tap here and then tap on turn off, and your active status is turned off on Facebook. And so this is how you can turn off your active status on your Facebook app. Thanks for watching.